Hi guys, it's Mandakini here, and today I wanted to talk to you about the importance to cleanse or reset around spring. Spring is a really important time of the year. It's probably the most important time to heal because it has the potential of a lot of energy. We've just come from winter. Winter, we were heavy, sluggish, maybe overindulging on foods that we shouldn't. Winter is about stabilizing and just staying steady. When spring comes along, it just gives you that burst of energy. Nature bursts alive with potential. And if we do the right things, if we take the right steps, we can harness that spring energy for our own healing. Spring is a really great opportunity to heal our liver, to heal our joints, to let go of, maybe heal really deep things in our body. Maybe let go of things that have troubled us throughout winter. It's also the opportunity for new possibilities. So anything that has to do with eyesight, vision, skin, all these potentials by taking the right steps in spring. And you really have to take the right steps to harness it, because if we just let it go and we just do whatever we've been doing over autumn and winter, we may miss that window of opportunity. So if you want to learn more about what steps to take, what foods to eat, what exercises to do during spring to really maximize that opportunity for you to shed that excess weight that you may not want, to increase flexibility, to get that energy and zest, getting that spring into spring. So I invite you to join us for a very, very special workshop. It's a free workshop. It's a 4 hours actual. It's like a mini program that goes on for 4 hours. It's live via Zoom, and we call it A Taste of Wellness. It's our spring edition of A Taste for Wellness. And what we will do, we'll actually learn, you'll get to learn everything that is important to know about spring, why it's such an important time to heal, how to detox your liver in a safe way, how to increase flexibility. Then we're going to do the exercises to show you how we actually do it. And then just to top it all off, we are going to get into the kitchen and cook delicious, very simple, plant-based meal that you can enjoy throughout spring. And you'll get the recipes before. If you want to join us for the actual cooking, if you want to cook with us, you'll get the recipes before the program after you register. But if not, that's also fine. You can just watch and absorb. So I'll put the link in the comments below, and we'd love to have you on that workshop. All the details are here, and I look forward to seeing you and having this fantastic experience. My promise to you that is in these 4 hours, you'll get a real great idea about what you have to do in spring. You will actually feel a difference even from one session, just from these few hours of us spending together. So I look forward to seeing you. Just click on the link below, register for the workshop. It's completely free. Look forward to seeing you then. Bye.